Hello students, welcome to my social studies class. This is Sanchita ma'am here. We have already learnt about the Earth's rotation and the revolution. In the previous videos we have discussed about that. What is rotation? The movement of the Earth on its axis is called rotation, and the movement of the Earth around the Sun is called revolution. So it is now clear to you that our Earth has two kinds of movements. One is revolution and another one is rotation. Today we will learn what is called the equator. Look at the picture. This is a picture of a globe. We have learned that a globe is a small model of our Earth, of the Earth. That is the small model of the Earth. Now, if you look at the globe, what do you observe about the axis of the Earth? This one, this line, see this one. Here is another imaginary line. This one is called the axis. From North Pole to South Pole and connecting the middle of the Earth, this imaginary line is called the axis. Now, if you look at the globe, what do you observe about the axis of the Earth? Is it vertical? If it will be vertical, the line will be like this, straight. And if it will be horizontal, the lines will be like this. Horizontal is in this position. These kind of lines are called horizontal line. But the axis is tilted, that is inclined or tilted. So the axis of the Earth is tilted. Now what is the equator? The imaginary horizontal line that circles the globe, this one, the imaginary horizontal line that circles the globe in the middle of the Earth, which divides it into two equal parts, is the equator. So look at the globe. This one is the equator. This imaginary horizontal line which divides the Earth into two equal parts. This one is called the equator. Now the part of the Earth to the north of the equator is the northern hemisphere. Look at this picture. This is our Earth. The imaginary line, horizontal line, equator divides the Earth into two parts. This one is called northern hemisphere and the below part is called the southern hemisphere. So, the part of the Earth to the north of the equator is the northern hemisphere, and the part to the south of the equator, this is the south side, south equator, this is the equator. This part, the top of the equator is the northern, and the down of the equator, this is the equator. This below part is the southern hemisphere. The part to the south of the equator is the southern hemisphere. See the picture nicely. The part of the Earth to the north or above of the equator is the northern hemisphere, and the part to the south, that is the below of the equator, is the southern hemisphere. Remember that our country India belongs to the northern hemisphere. Here, northern hemisphere. Our country is situated in the northern part of the equator. So, students, today we have learned that the imaginary line that divides the Earth into two equal parts, this imaginary line is called the equator, and the axis of the Earth is tilted. It is not vertical or it is not a horizontal line. It is a tilted line. That means it is inclined, not a straight line. Inclined line, that is the tilted line. And another thing which we have learned today, that the two hemispheres of the earth. One is called the northern hemisphere and another is called the southern hemisphere. The equator divides the earth into two equal parts. The northern part is called, northern means the top of the equator is called the northern hemisphere, and the below part, that is the down of the equator, this part is called the southern hemisphere. So this much is today's task. Thank you. Have a nice day. Learn this lesson very well. Thank you.